Most people lose battles long before they begin, not in the field, but in their mind. Mental fortitude isn't about strength, it's about control. You must train your thoughts the same way a warrior trains his body. Every morning, your first fight is with comfort. That warm bed, that snooze button, they whisper weakness, but greatness starts when you refuse to negotiate with your excuses. A Navy SEAL doesn't ask if he feels ready, he acts. Because emotion follows motion, not the other way around. Discipline creates freedom. Hesitation builds fear. When life gets hard, most people search for escape. The strong search for a way through. They know pain is not punishment, it's progress in disguise. Mental fortitude is forged in discomfort. It's built in the reps no one sees and the hours no one praises. It's you versus the voice that tells you to quit. Every setback whispers, "You can't." The mind replies, "Watch me." That's the dialogue of the undefeatable. Your body breaks when your mind allows it. Pain is not the limit, doubt is. Learn to suffer with purpose, not panic. Fortitude begins with awareness. Catch your weak thoughts before they grow roots. Replace "I can't" with "I will find a way." When you're tired, remember, fatigue is just the body asking if you really want it. The answer must always be yes. Your dreams don't care how you feel today. The strongest warriors are calm in chaos, because they've trained their minds to stay focused when others panic. Control under stress, that's real power. Adversity introduces you to your true self. Not the version in comfort, but the one in combat. That's where identity is revealed, not invented. You can't conquer a mountain if you crumble under a molehill. Train resilience daily, in traffic, in arguments, in failure. Every challenge is mental weightlifting. When your emotions scream, breathe deeper. That's how a SEAL centers himself under pressure. Control your breathing, and you control your reaction. Growth doesn't happen in safety. Comfort zones are mental prisons with invisible walls. Step outside daily, even when it burns. A strong mind doesn't eliminate fear. It moves forward despite it. Courage is not absence of fear. It's mastery of it. Mental toughness isn't loud. It's quiet, patient, and unshakable. It shows up when the world expects you to fold. Your self-talk determines your limits. Speak strength into your system. Never let negative thoughts take command. The mind is a battlefield. Train like your life depends on it. Because it does. You win first in the mind and then in the world. No one becomes resilient by accident. It's a choice, made daily, painfully, consistently. Fortitude is built, not born. When discipline fades, identity must take over. You do it because that's who you are now. Strong, focused, relentless. Your biggest enemy isn't the obstacle. It's your hesitation. Act fast, act firm, and your doubts will starve. Action destroys anxiety. The weak wait for motivation. The strong rely on momentum. Move first, the feeling follows. Pressure doesn't break you, it reveals you. That's why elite soldiers seek challenge, not comfort. They know diamonds are made from pressure. If your dreams are worth it, pain is a small price. Every rep of suffering compounds your strength. Nothing great is built without sacrifice. You don't rise to the occasion, you fall to your training. So train your mind daily, even in silence. Preparation is your shield. People quit when their mind starts negotiating. Don't debate with weakness. Decide once, then execute without emotion. Mental toughness is doing what's right, not what's easy. You don't need applause. You need consistency. Quiet strength beats loud excuses. When failure comes, greet it like a teacher. Study it. Adapt. Move again. Winners don't avoid pain, they learn from it. Storms are temporary, but mental scars can strengthen you forever. If you endure the storm, you evolve. Resilience is built through resistance. Remember this. You are capable of far more than your mind admits. Push beyond comfort, and you'll meet the version of you that never breaks. Every day, ask, am I controlling my mind, or is it controlling me? Because that's the question that defines destiny. Master the mind, and the world obeys. When things fall apart, hold your center. Your strength is proven in stillness. Stay calm, act wisely, and rebuild stronger. Never underestimate small wins. They create mental armor brick by brick. Each victory rewires your brain for resilience. Success is not born from comfort, it's carved through pain. Embrace discomfort as a friend. It's guiding you toward the edge of greatness. No excuses, no shortcuts, no surrender. That's the Navy SEAL code of life. Adopt it, and your limits will disappear. In the end, your mind is your greatest weapon. Sharpen it daily, because a calm, trained mind can conquer any storm.